Hello! Washington, D.C. has many tourists. People from different countries come here. Today, my job is to interview tourists. I have to learn why they come here. This is very exciting. Excuse me, I'm Anna Mateo from The News. Do you have time for an interview?
Sure, I have time.
What is your name?
My name is Sabrina.
What country are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
So you are Bangladeshi.
That's right. My nationality is Bangladeshi.
Do you like Washington, D.C.?
Yes, the city is very beautiful.
What do you like to do in Washington, D.C.?
I like history, so I like walking around and looking at all the monuments and memorials. They make history come alive.
Washington has many monuments and memorials. The Washington Monument is behind us. Which is your favorite?
I really like Lincoln Memorial. It is very beautiful, and it feels like Abraham Lincoln is still alive.
Awesome. Thank you for your time, Sabrina.
You are welcome.
Let's find another tourist.
What country are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Now, you try it.
Excuse me, I am Anna Mateo from The News. Do you have time for a couple of questions?
Sure.
Are you from Washington, D.C.?
No, I'm not.
What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Louis, and I'm from China.
What languages do you speak?
I speak Chinese and English.
What do you like about Washington, D.C.?
I like the museums. I really like the art museums.
Many of the museums are free.
I like that too.
Awesome. Thanks for your time, Louis.
You're very welcome. Bye.
Now, let's find another tourist.
What languages do you speak?
I speak Chinese and English. Now, you try it.
Hello, I am Anna Mateo from The News. Do you have time to answer a couple of questions?
Sure.
What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Mernouche. I am from Iran. I'm Iranian.
What language do they speak in Iran? Is it Persian?
They speak Farsi.
What do you like to do in Washington, D.C.?
Well, I like learning about government and politics.
Washington has many politicians.
It does. I want to see the U.S. Capitol.
Look, you are very near.
I am.
Have fun.
Thanks.
There you have it. Tourists from all over the world come to Washington, D.C. They all like doing and seeing different things in the city. This is Anna Mateo reporting for The News. Until next time. Is that okay? Awesome. Now I want to do my favorite thing in the city. Ride the carousel!